Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the dollar franc. Right, so let's start off with the daily. Right, on the daily, we see that price has pushed higher, came back down, right, and also pushed much higher once more, and it's pulling back down as well. All right, so on the daily, there seems to be a reversal. On the 4 hours, okay, we can say with a greater degree of certainty that the trend has reversed, right? Because price actually broke, okay, out of this uh, uptrend. Okay, it broke to the downside, came back, retested the trend line breakout, all right, and starts to push lower as well. Okay, now, I just want to show you guys also that currently price is made a high, made a low, made a lower high, okay, and it's making a lower low, right? So we can expect price to make a lower high before making another lower low. And if we were to combine all the highs together, right, with a trend line, we can actually see this descending trend line resistance, okay? So with this, right, let's go down to the 1 hour. Just really want to focus on this area. So the idea of the trend line is to really show us where price is moving. Try not to cut the candle bodies. Okay, so we see price doing this short-term push down like that, and it seems to be making a base and then pushing higher. So what we can expect price to do is really for price to sort of push higher. Okay, probably retest this descending trend line again and then go much lower, right? So because price is in a downtrend, it makes a series of lower highs, okay, and lower lows. All right. So taking that this is one completed movement, we can actually use Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, and we see that the 61.8, right? Price doesn't move in a straight line, so price probably drift. And by the time price drifts back up to this descending trend line resistance, okay, it will be close to the 61.8 level. So we can have our target, our take profit at the level is 61.8. Okay, let me just adjust it properly. This can be our take profit. All right, and we need to find a level for entry and stop loss. Okay, so where will the entry be? Okay, if we are to change in close also, we see that this could be a possible double bottom pattern, right? So let's just zoom into the 30 minutes. All right, so there we have a double bottom pattern that is confirmed, right? So double bottom pattern, normally what we can do for the re-entry is when there's a double bottom pattern confirmed, right? We can actually wait for a breakout of the double bottom neckline, a retest, and we can enter on the retest and play higher. So we can actually have our entry at this neckline area. So let's go back to candlestick and adjust the entry properly. So price is actually coming back down quite close to the entry as well. So we can have the entry here. And now we need to know where to put the stop loss. The stop loss is the level which we know for sure we are wrong. So over here, we can put the stop loss at the last swing low, right? Because breaking the stop loss, it would naturally mean that price is in a process of still making a lower low, right? Making a lower low. So that would mean that price is actually going to go lower. All right, so this will be our intraday idea for today, for today's trade of the day. Okay, last but not least, right, we can also actually look at indicators, right? So let's look at stochastics. Okay, so stochastics is actually, what I have here is actually the 21 stochastic. Okay, stochastics is testing a support, right? If I were to put in a support level over here, every time we see that stochastics come down to test this support level, right, there is a strong push up in price. All right, there will always be a strong push up in price, right? You see this level, a strong push up, and now stochastics testing this level again, we can expect another strong push up. So once again, remember this is an intraday trade of the day. You just got to be careful that on the longer term time frame, price looks to be reversing. All right, so thanks everyone for your time today, and I wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.